So let us start the magic session today. Thank you so much for sharing, everybody. Let us start. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. I love you, God. I love you, universe. Thank you, God, for giving me this beautiful day. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for giving me this beautiful moment. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for providing us this magic session, which is creating miracles in our lives. Keep giving us lots of magic. Keep giving us lots of opportunities. Keep giving us lots of wisdom to understand each and every concept. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Thank you, God. Thank you for the parents that you have given me. They are so loving. They are giving me everything what I need. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for this lockdown period in which we are creating bonding with our families. Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to be the part of magic session. Thank you for so much for the opportunity for being with our family, being with our siblings, being with our community. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for the better health that I have. The cells, they are working very nicely. The body parts, the systems, all are perfectly functioning. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for taking us to the new realm, for taking us to the new dreams, for taking us to the new horizons. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Thank you, God, for the failures that I have. Thank you so much. I love my failures. They are every time teaching me a lesson. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Thank you, God, for giving me the success with my family, success with the meetings, success with relationships, success in my health. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Blessings to all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, a grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. So जो लास्ट हमारा सेशन था उसके अंदर हमने फोटोग्राफ्स देख के we had to pray for them, for their health, for their wealth, and for the happiness. Anybody has to share anything on this? Today Sangeeta is there? No, Sangeeta.
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay, I can't see you. That is why I thought.
Okay.
Okay, who's Vasudha?
मैं वीडियो ऑन कर देती हूँ. हाँ?
हाँ, तब ज़्यादा ना जाएगा. There is one person, Vasudha. Welcome, Vasudha. Welcome, Madhu.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. Who's Vasudha?
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening.
Ma'am, I was there in your sessions last time, and yesterday only I joined this session.
Okay.
This cycle of sessions, I would say.
Okay. Welcome to the session. Thank you for joining us. Great. So welcome, Kinduri. Okay. Anybody has to share anything? Okay. Let us go ahead.
Yeah, yesterday was wonderful session.
Hmm.
And a lot of learning, lot of sharing. So that really helps, you know.
और सबसे बड़ी बात कल ये थी कि सबके स्किल्स के बारे में हमें नहीं पता था नितेश सर मिस्टर इंडिया है भाई है ना
सबके स्किल्स पता चले और खुल के बात करी सबने and thank you Anmol for creating this and thanks to you Monica जो सब sharing कर रहे हैं और सब experience कर रहे हैं all that you know benefit and magic in their life.
फ्रूट्स देखने को मिले माय गॉड तरबूज तो कितना सुंदर तरबूज बना
हाँ बहुत बढ़िया we need to learn all that yeah और अनमोल ने सबको कितने अच्छे से respond करा so that is also kind of sharing and learning for us each and every person he replied and very nice Anmol
thank you Sangeeta ma'am thanks so much
Kinnari, you want to say something?
नहीं मैम, वैसे शेयर करने का कुछ है नहीं, पर कल का सेशन मुझे बीच में छोड़ के जाना पड़ा था, तो आई लिसन टू द सेशन। जब आज मैं जॉब पे थी तो आई थॉट ऑफ रनिंग इट, कि एक बार मैं देख लूं कि क्या है उसमें करके। आई वाज देयर अंटिल आई थिंक याची वाज स्पीकिंग।
Okay.
फिर मुझे जाना पड़ा था क्योंकि यहाँ पे 12 बज गए थे रात के।
Okay, got it.
And,
So you
हाँ,
have listened to the session.
हाँ,
You have heard it. Okay, great. So
हाँ,
today's topic is cue the magic. Life is playfulness, and we need to play so that we can rediscover the magic all around us. Beautiful topic. So who would like to create this topic? Manvi, would you like to go ahead with it?
Ma'am, I'm in between two sessions.
Okay, not a problem. Okay, so Sangeeta, go ahead with it then.
Yes, I can read. Thank you.
Wait, I'll just open the book. Hold on. It is a beautiful chapter. दिन रात हमें जब हमारे साथ कुछ कुछ होता रहता है, मतलब जैसे डे बाय डे चलते रहते हैं, आते जाते कभी ना कभी कोई ना कुछ माइंड में आ जाता है. That is a clue that is given by the universe, or that is a sign given by the universe. कई बार लगता है ना यार नहीं जाते, मूड नहीं कर रहा जाने का, और फिर हमें बाद में पता चलता है something happened over there. So that is the kind of cue we get from the universe. So this chapter is on that, and it is a beautiful chapter. और जरूरी नहीं है सबको वो आए, वो क्यों सबको हर एक का अपना अलग एक्सपीरियंस होता है और हर एक को अलग अलग क्यों आते हैं. So just be present to it and be alert in getting the cue of the universe. Yes, you can start. I hope you can see the book, all of you.
No, page is not visible.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Yes. Just a minute. Life is playfulness. We need to play so that we can rediscover the magic all around us. Flora Colayo, writer and therapist. Today's practice, Cue the Magic, is one of my favorite practices because it is a game you play with the universe and it is a lot of fun. Imagine that the universe is friendly and caring and that it wants you to have everything you want in life because the universe can't just walk up and hand you what you want. It uses the law of attraction to give you signs and cues to help you receive your dreams.
Now imagine universe is friendly and caring. वो आपको platter में कुछ नहीं देगा. You have to work for this. To work for this, वो कुछ ना कुछ क्यों देता रहता है, sign देता रहता है, and you have to follow that. Yes.
The universe knows you have to feel gratitude to bring forth your dreams. So it plays its part in the game by giving you personal cues to remind you to be grateful. It uses the people, circumstances, and events that surround you in your day as your magic cues to be grateful. It works like this. If you hear an ambulance siren, the magic cue from the universe is to be grateful for perfect health. If you see a police car, your magic cue is to be grateful for safety and security. If you see someone reading a newspaper, it is your magic cue to be thankful for great news. If you want to change the weight of your body, when you see another person with your perfect weight, it's your magic cue. It's your magic cue from the universe to be thankful for your perfect weight. If you want a romantic partner, when you see a couple madly in love, it is your magic cue to be grateful for the perfect partner. If you want to have a family, when you see babies and children, take the magic cue and be grateful for, for children. When you pass by your bank or an ATM, it is your magic cue to be grateful for plenty of money. When you arrive home, it's your magic cue to be grateful for your home. And when a neighbor calls in to have a cup of coffee or you wave to them across the street, it's your magic cue to be grateful for your neighbors. If you happen to see one of your material desires on your list, such as your dream house, car, motorcycle, shoes, or computer, of course, it is your magic cue from the universe to be grateful for your desire now. When you begin a new day and someone says, "Good morning," you are being given a magic cue to be grateful for the good morning. If you come across someone who is really happy, it is your magic cue to be grateful for happiness. And if you overhear another person saying thank you anywhere at any time, it is your magic cue to say thank you. There are unlimited and creative ways the universe has to magically cue you to be grateful in your day to day activities. You can never misunderstand a magic cue or get a cue wrong because whatever you think a cue is for, you are right. The universe uses the law of attraction to magically cue you, and so you always attract the exact cues that you need to be grateful for in that moment. Cue the Magic has become a daily game I play, and with practice, I now automatically see all the magic cues the universe gives me, and I give thanks for every one of them. It never ceases to thrill and amaze me how the universe finds new ways to cue me to set the magic of gratitude into motion.
Yeah.
When,
So the thing is कि whenever nothing happens in our life accidentally. Everything we are attracting, everything we are creating in our life. कुछ भी हो रहा है हमारी लाइफ में, it is just because of our creation. हमने ही उसको क्रिएट किया है. और that is why we say when we are creating it, that means फ्यूचर हमारे हाथ में है, प्रेजेंट हम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, पास्ट में या अब हमारे क्या होता है, नॉर्मली क्या होता है, when something happens, either we are in the past, या तो हम पुराने उसके बारे में सोच रहे होते हैं या फिर हम फ्यूचर के बारे में सोच रहे होते हैं. हमारे पास सिर्फ दो जगह पे हमारे रहते हैं हम लोग. या हम पास्ट पे रहते हैं कि किसी चीज को पकड़ के बैठे हुए हैं, या पता नहीं क्या होगा, ये होगा कि नहीं होगा, या वहां बैठे होते हैं. हम अपने एग्जिस्टेंस में तो होते ही नहीं है. सो इट इज फॉर अस लीव, बिकॉज ना पास्ट है ना फ्यूचर है. जस्ट बी इन द प्रेजेंट, एंड इस प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में जो भी होता जा रहा है उसके अंदर कहीं कोई ना कोई साइन मिलता चला जाएगा which will give you an idea how you have to proceed, how, और आपको नेक्स्ट एक्शन क्या लेना है. आपको कुछ भी होता है, अगर एक पेन भी गिर रहा है ना, there is a reason behind it. So always try to see the sign, try to be alert and see what it is happening, why it is happening. Yes, please.
to play Cue the Magic today, all you have to do is be alert enough to take 7 magic cues from the universe during the day and give thanks for each one of them. For example, if you see someone with your perfect weight, say, "Thank you for my perfect weight." You can never do too much gratitude, so you can choose to do more. And if you want, you can even try to respond to as many magic cues in one day as you can. If you have been following the daily magical practices over the last 24 days, you will have reached a point by now where you will be alert enough to notice the cues the universe is always giving to you. One of the many benefits of gratitude's magical power is that it wakes you up and makes you far more alert and aware. And the more alert and aware you become, the more grateful you become, and the more easily you attract your dreams. So, universe, cue the magic. Magic practice number 25. Cue the magic. 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. 2. Today, be alert to what's around you and take at least 7 gratitude cues from the events in your day. For example, if you see someone with your perfect weight, say, thank you for my perfect weight. 3. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you for creating such wonderful chapter with each one of us.
Thank you.
Okay, so I welcome Sunil. Sunil, welcome to the session. Where are you, Sunil? I welcome you. And he is the boy. He called me. I don't know from where he got my number. And he has come to the session for the first time. Anmol, I was telling you about him. He is, he's paralyzed. He got accident. Sunil, would you like to share something about you, please? This is the community that we have. They will be supporting you all the time. Can you please unmute and talk to us? You can unmute and then you can talk. Sunil? He had an accident and that is why he's on bed. And Sunil, can you unmute yourself and you can talk? Can you?
मैम आप उनको अनम्यूट कर सकते हो.
मैं कर रही हूँ but हो नहीं रहा है वो. मैं कर तो रही हूँ but I'm trying my best to do that but it is not happening. Sunil, you unmute yourself. You can speak. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो Sunil.
Network. Yes. As I told you, I was accidented in 2014. So how can I be thankful to God?
आप बात कर सकते हो बच्चे, आप जरा ऊंचा बोलो. आपको क्या सपोर्ट चाहिए आप बताओ.
हिंदी में बोल दो.
हिंदी में बोल दो. हम हिंदी में ही बात करते हैं, हिंदी में बोलो.
नो मोनिका जी,
मेरा एक्सीडेंट हो गया था तो मैं गॉड के प्रति थैंकफुल कैसे रहूं?
अच्छा, यस जेपी सर आप कुछ कह रहे हैं?
Yeah, same thing actually. What he was saying is, see, he met with an accident in 2014, right? His question is very simple and straightforward. When such a bad thing has happened to me like this, how can I be thankful to God?
Yes, yes.
And one more thing, I also asked you once, you know, when Monica ji, when you are a little girl and when you are pushed to the fire, you told me that you are giving gratitude. I questioned you that day, you know. When someone has pushed you into the fire like that and your body is burnt and you are hospitalized, how can you be thankful, you know?
Yes, I do agree, but then
Monica, can I answer this question? I got this answer from your session only. That's why I want to share.
Yes, please.
So when I was 8, I had an accident. मतलब मेरी आँख में चोट लग गई थी. तो मेरा जो natural eye lens होता है ना वो rupture हो गया था. I have artificial eye lens. Then at that time जिस भी डॉक्टर के पास हम जाते थे ना, he used to say कि she is very lucky. इसकी आँख बच गई. तो एट दैट टाइम ना, मतलब उस मोमेंट से लेकर मैंने हमेशा ना इस चीज को कर्स किया है, उन सारे डॉक्टर्स को कर्स किया है कि हाउ कुड यू से दैट आई एम लकी, मतलब मैं कैसे लकी हुई, मुझे तो अच्छी भली बैठे बैठे घर में खेलते खेलते चोट लगी और इतना बड़ा एक्सीडेंट हो गया। तो मतलब आई वॉज इन दैट स्पेस एंड व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग दिस सेशन, तो तब ना मतलब फर्स्ट टाइम जैसे होता है ना, कुछ होता है और आपके जब थैंक यू बोलना शुरू करते हो, जब हमारा सेशन स्टार्ट हुआ तो बोला हर चीज के लिए थैंक यू बोलो, हर चीज के लिए थैंक यू बोलने के लिए, तो थैंक यू बोलने के लिए कुछ अच्छा होना चाहिए तभी थैंक यू बोलेंगे, इसमें क्या अच्छा हुआ मेरे साथ। तो मैंने ना सोचा 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 कि क्या क्या इसमें क्या अच्छा हुआ, देन आई कंक्लूडेड कि yeah, actually I spent my whole life as a normal kid despite having this accident, despite मतलब लोगों की पत्थर की आंख भी हो जाती है, मेरी आंख एकदम नॉर्मल है। इफ आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू, यू कैन नॉट इवन टेल कि हाँ इसकी आई में कुछ हुआ था या कुछ भी हुआ था। तो फिर उस मूवमेंट से ना, और मतलब यू वोंट बिलीव, इट वाज अ वेरी, इट इज, आई एम वर्किंग ऑन इट, इट इज वेरी बिग इशू फॉर मी, मतलब बहुत बड़ी एक वो होती है ना, ग्लिच होती है, समथिंग लाइक जो आपको, जैसे आपका हैंड का था, आपने शेयर किया था, मतलब मेरे लिए भी ना जैसे कि आई एम समवेयर इनकम्प्लीट, I have some incompletion sort of थी। तो I started doing gratitude, and when you start doing gratitude ना, आपको अलग अलग चीजें दिखने लग जाती हैं कि मुझे कैसे क्या करना है अपने आप को back to track लाने के लिए।
Yes.
So I wanted to share that.
Dr. JP, I was also saying the same thing. You know, मैं मानती हूँ उसने मेरे को धक्का दे दिया, तो मैं gratitude नहीं कह सकती उसको, but उस जो भी हो रहा है हमारी लाइफ में, it is happening because of my own creation.
Thank you, ma'am.
My karmas, whatsoever. Sunil, you need to listen to this thing, what we are talking about, and in this only you will get your answer. Okay? So, अब मेरा हाथ जला, ये मेरा पूरा आर्म पूरा बर्न है ये वाला, but see, my face is beautiful, my body is beautiful, I'm healthy, I'm perfect. मैं उस चीज को छुपा के बाकी ओवरऑल में देखूं, I'm beautiful. So I have to thankful to rest of the things except this. ये हो गया, it is gone, it is happening because of my own creation. ये मेरा कर्मा है जो मेरे साथ हुआ। मेरा फेस भी जल सकता था, मैं बिल्कुल हो सकती थी कि मेरा हाथ काटना पड़ जाता, कुछ भी हो सकता था। I have to be grateful for what other things which is not, you know, जो जिसके ऊपर इम्पैक्ट नहीं हुआ। अब सुनील का एक्सीडेंट हो गया, वो बेड रिटन है, जो भी है, एटलीस्ट ही इज अलाइव, he can see a beautiful world, but he has to create his own life कि आप उसको कैसे करोगे यूज। अरुणिमा डे ने भी अपने आप को, अगर 3 दिन तक वो पटरी पे पड़ी रही, उसके बाद भी उसने माउंट एवरेस्ट चढ़ गई, दैट काइंड ऑफ जज्बा हैज टू बी क्रिएटेड। तो ये एक कोई छोटी सी एक्सीडेंट हुआ, हो गया, अब जो है आप नया क्या क्रिएट कर सकते, दैट इज व्हाट। और सुनील, आपको रोज अगर आप क्लास में आओगे, आपके लिए कुछ नया होता रहेगा।
Thank you, ma'am.
हाँ,
Monica, Anjana here.
yes,
If you allow me, so I will share a little story.
yeah, please.
See,
Thank
the
you,
story
ma'am.
is,
थैंक यू बेटे, थैंक यू। और आप सेशन में आते रहो, सुनते रहो, यू विल गेट लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स ओवर हियर। ठीक है बच्चे?
welcome Sunil, you must come in sessions. So story is, you know, there was a bird, और वो ना डेजर्ट में था वो बर्ड, और क्या कहते हैं, डेजर्ट में था, और क्या कहते हैं